All right, guys, we are trying to get in the Christmas spirit today. We've got the Christmas tree lit up, the nitrous bottle on, and we got a mini Santa that is pretty deflated there. We've got a turbo and a power wash. We're trying to inflate Santa, and we're gonna use that turbo, and we're gonna spool it with that power wash.
Power washer doesn't work. The power washer might, power washer might need nitrous.
What Matt was trying to say here is if we use the power washer and it sucked, then we're just gonna use the nitrous instead, and that's exactly what we did. And the nitrous works so much better
that's
anyway.
The power washer I'm getting my brother-in-law for Christmas, by the way.
Austin, if you were watching this and you notice that this power washer is quite familiar on Christmas Day, hopefully it's still running because we might have to use that nitrous to inflate Santa today. All right, we're gonna take this shot vac tube and we're gonna hook it up to the outlet of this turbo right into Santa's butt. We got step one done. Santa is hooked up to our turbo. We got some high quality tape on there, and hopefully our Santa will be inflated in T-minus 2 seconds.
Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
I'll be the operator of the bottle, and you can spray her in there. Come on, Santa. Keep going. Oh, we got a leak. We got a leak. Okay, that definitely works. Oh, look at all the fraud. I think the turbo is spinning pretty good there. All right, guys, we're going round two. We've got a little plate bolted in there with the nitrous fitting, and I think Santa's gonna get inflated pretty fast.
There's always time for lubrication.
All right, it's go time. Come on. Oh, there's a lot less nitrous this time. Oh my God. Santa's stuck. Oh God. Oh no. Santa came undone. Oh my gosh. We might need more nitrous. Well, there goes a solid $80, but hey, nothing beats getting in the Christmas spirit.
That's right.
That'll be it for this week's video. Thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Come back next week to see what we tear up. See you later, guys. Well, Austin, since we didn't have to end up using your power washer, we're just going to nitrous it anyway, just for good measure. Merry Christmas.